Hello, we're continuing with Math 125 gateway questions, this time number 79 out of the series 71 to 80. This series involves sine, derivative of sine and cosine. This question is f of t equal to, big parentheses, 1 plus sine, square root of sine of t times big parentheses 1 minus 2 square root of cosine of t. First thing I noticed, the two factors, they're multiplied together, so the big connector is the product. So I will use a product rule. But before using product rule, I see the square root sign in two of the factors. Always recommended to, it is always recommended to change the square root sign to 1/2. So that's the first thing that I do. So instead of square root, to power 1/2. Now the next step that I want to take is to take the derivative of product. So what I do is f prime of t equal to derivative of the first one times the second one plus the second one times the derivative plus the first one times the derivative of the second one. So that would be 1 plus sine of t to power 1/2, 1 minus 2 cosine of t to power 1/2, and here 1 plus sine of t to power 1/2, 1 minus 2 cosine of t to power 1/2. The next step is to replace everywhere that you see the derivative with its value. Derivative here is derivative of 1, a constant 1 is 0, plus derivative of sine of t to power 1/2. That is a chain rule. Or generalized power rule, that's another name for it. 1/2 will come down, inside unchanged, to power 1 less, 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2, then derivative of inside. So inside untouched is sine of t, derivative of inside is cosine of t. There is another derivative here that we want to replace, derivative of 1 minus 2 cosine of t to power 1/2. Derivative of 1, 0, minus 2 is the coefficient, then cosine of t to power 1/2 is another chain rule. To do the chain rule, derivative, this is the outside function is to power 1/2, so 1/2 times the inside function to power 1 less times the derivative of inside function. Inside function is cosine of t times the derivative of inside function, which is negative sine of t. Now we replace everywhere that there was a derivative by its value, not forgetting that plus sign. Plus sign is going to be there when we have the product rule. So replacing everything, this first one gets replaced by 0 plus 1/2, I can omit 0, sine of t to power negative 1/2, cosine of t, times 1 minus 2 cosine of t to power 1/2, plus this one is untouched, first is untouched, Second one, replaced by the derivative that we found. I can omit 0 minus 2 times 1/2 times cosine of t to power negative 1/2 times sine of t. Negative sine of t. This is your final answer. No need to simplify.